Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a microfiber cloth. Make sure to work in a well-lit area to prevent any mishaps. First, power off your Asus GL703G and unplug it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible to ensure your safety during the process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of your laptop. Typically, you will find around 10 screws securing this panel. Use the Phillips screwdriver to carefully remove each screw and keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, take your plastic prying tool and gently insert it into the seams of the back panel. Be cautious to avoid damaging the clips that hold the panel in place. Work your way around the edges, popping the panel off carefully. If you feel resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, locate the screen connectors. These are usually secured with additional screws. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver and disconnect the screen cable gently. If you're uncertain about handling these delicate components, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your device is in safe hands. Now, let's turn our attention to the screen itself. If you're planning to clean the screen or replace it, take this opportunity to use your microfiber cloth. Dampen it slightly with a screen-safe cleaning solution, ensuring not to soak it. Wipe the screen gently in circular motions, removing any dust or fingerprints. If you notice any internal dust buildup, you can use compressed air to blow it out, but be careful not to touch any internal components directly. If you're replacing the screen, now is the time to install the new one. Align the new screen with the connectors and gently secure it with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight but don't over-tighten, as this could damage the screen or connectors. Once everything is connected, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel onto the device and press down gently around the edges to ensure the clips snap back into place. Replace the screws in the same order you removed them, ensuring they are secure but not overly tight. Before you power it back on, take a moment to ensure everything is in order. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about any step, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making the process hassle-free for you. After reassembling, plug your laptop back in and power it on. Check the screen for any issues. If everything looks good, congratulations! You've successfully maintained or repaired your Asus GL703G screen. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to contact us for a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple solution at your convenience. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.